See that screen? That one going all the way across. I'm gonna get that out. How and why? Because I can. Now let me show you where to start. This starts as you pull this up, it's overlapping right here. So that means this was in my way. This had its little alien head on it, and this has to separate as well. So this pulls away from this bottom part. Now, revealing 1, 2, 3, 4 screws. But do not do what I did, but this car's already totaled. So I'll show you. Okay, get that out of our way. This had a clip, literally broke right in front of my face because you have so many, I don't even understand why. Look at this. Guide, ping, pong, and broke. That is right here. Do you need it? No. No way, dude. No way. Look. Why is it even here? Look. So get this out of your way. Revealing this one. Another overlap right here in the corner. So I use my handy dandy little white tool. This thing's kind of broken, but you can get something better. Revealing another 7 mil. So we got 7 mil, another 7 mil. Pop this up out of your way, okay, and then you have another 7 mil all the way in the bottom that was hidden, and another 7 mil right here, and then pull upward. Easy. Now where the rest of the radio is, no clue. Probably somewhere in here. You got more safety. This pulls out. This pulls out. Squeeze and pull. There's a little tab in all the way in there. After you gotta squeeze and pull out. This car's again dead. Same over here. Same over here. You got a guide right here. Okay, and that's another guide right here, another guide right underneath here, and that's what you're going to get up back in, so it kind of angled downward, and then you put it, got it, good. See how it went back in? 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. And pop it all back in. So see? Like it, don't like it, share it, don't share it, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.